Two-factor authentication is a way to add an extra level of security when you need to log in into your Pinterest account. This way, you can prevent people with malicious intent from accessing your account without your permission. And this tutorial will show you exactly how to go about the steps of enabling two-factor authentication in Pinterest. If you want to learn more about 2FA or two-factor authentication, please check this playlist on this YouTube channel. So while you are on your dashboard in your Pinterest account, you need to click on the saved with the profile icon, and then you need to click on your logo on top of your account on the left of the pins. Click on it, and then you will see account management home feed. You need to go on, you need to scroll and find in the security. While you are in the security, you need to toggle on this two-factor authentication. I'll toggle it on, and then I'll click next. Okay, you need to put your email that is connected to the account. Okay, so after confirming the email, you'll be prompted to input your password. I'll input mine. So after inputting my password, it takes me to this add phone number. Okay, I've received it. I'll just copy and paste it here, and then I'll verify. So this makes my account two-factor authenticated. Right now, there's no one that can log in into my account without my permission, and that is how you activate two-factor authentication in Pinterest. Follow us for more productivity tips and tutorials.